At the beginning of the coronavirus pandemic, when residents in cities like New York were told to stay home, many nannies were let go. But now, experts say, there is an unprecedented demand for them.
A lot of families fled to the Hamptons or upstate or home somewhere else and are now coming back to the city and looking for new help.
Looking for help in part because schools in many U.S. cities are not returning to normal this fall, putting a strain on working families that rely on schools for childcare. Davis, who runs Adventure Nannies, a placement agency that helps families find nannies across the United States, says nannies are being asked to take on more tasks than ever.
A lot of families who were having some kind of chef or a meal delivery service or housekeepers coming in have suspended those services to protect their family and limit exposure. And so nannies are really being relied on a lot more heavily right now.
On social media, some nannies have expressed their frustration over what families are now asking them to do. One post said, "Mine just asked me to stain a table while they were away. I said no." Davis says matching families with nannies has become more of a challenge.
She says families and nannies are now forced to have frank, yet often uncomfortable conversations about living situations, health backgrounds, and what they do in their spare time to try and best protect everyone involved.
Those who have already been exposed to the virus are often highly valued.
Right now, nannies who have taken the antibody tests and shown that they have already had COVID do have a hiring advantage over other candidates.
This despite the fact that little is known about how long COVID-19 antibodies last and whether they provide effective long-term immunity. What's clear is the pandemic has forced families and nannies into uncharted territory. There are no easy solutions in trying to protect everyone involved. But what Davis says is required is a higher level of trust than ever before. Karina Huber for CGTN, New York.